Hi, I'm James Dickerson, a dedicated realtor proudly serving Houston and the surrounding areas. Are you a homeowner with a property that needs some renovations but you're ready to move on to your dream home? Here's how it works. We assess your property. I'll work with you to understand its value and potential. Connect with investors. I collaborate with trusted investors actively seeking properties just like yours, ensuring a quick and hassle-free sale. Put cash in your hands. This allows you to move forward with confidence toward purchasing the home you've always envisioned. Selling a property doesn't have to be overwhelming or time-consuming. With my network of investors and my experience, I can help you sell quickly, easily, and at a fair price. If you or someone you know is looking to sell their home fast, don't hesitate to reach out. Together, we can turn today's opportunity into tomorrow's dream home. I'm James Dickerson, your go-to realtor in Houston and beyond. Call or text me at 281-883-8426. Let's make your real estate goals a reality.